Now that I've shifted my compost and pulled out all the big chunks, it's time for me to turn it into something useful, my own seed starter. We're starting off with a 4.5 gallon shifted compost as our base. It's fully broken down, rich, and full of life. Perfect for starting seeds without breaking the bank. This mix is simple, affordable, and great for a strong root growth. Here's what I'm using. Coconut coir for moisture retention, perlite for drainage and airflow, a bit of gypsum to boost that calcium and prevent damping off. And optionally, you can add some fish bone meal for some general phosphorus boost. For every 4.5 gallons of compost, I added another 4.5 gallons of hydrated coconut coir, 2.5 gallons of perlite, roughly half, 7 tablespoons of gypsum, and 3 tablespoons of fish bone meal. Now for the gypsum and the fish bone meal, I just added these together and went into the pot. Mix everything thoroughly until it's light, fluffy, and evenly blended. You want a mix that holds moisture but drains well. When you squeeze it, a handful, it should hold its shape briefly and then crumble apart when you poke at it. This seed starter is perfect for trays, cups, soil blocks, whatever you like to grow in. And the best part, you made it yourself for the fraction of the store-bought cost stuff. If you're into saving money and growing strong, healthy seedlings from day one, this mix will do the trick. If you haven't seen how I built that compost shifter, check out the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay relaxed, keep on living.
I see you, buddy. Came to check out the soil. Come on, dude. No, he's having none of it, really.